Welcome to the channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick update. I've been asked in a few different ways across a few different social media platforms about my 6.0 and where the Excursion is and where it's been. And I think you guys have noticed that there's been a lack of Excursion content ever since my last video, which was fixing the HIDs with the dual beam headlights and the bright box deal, which I can link right here. And yes, I mean, there definitely has been a lack of Excursion content. I mean, you can see it in the YouTube videos, you can see it in my Instagram as well, and if you haven't seen my Instagram yet, you should definitely check it out. I like to post updates there, and sometimes they occasionally get to see things before YouTube as well. So if you haven't seen it yet, you should definitely check it out. But yes, so the actual story of where the Excursion has been, it's actually gone. Not for good, not forever. It's not gone forever. Right now it's currently getting some warranty work done at the dealership where we bought it. We noticed that we're starting to get some deltas between the engine oil temperature, engine coolant temperature. They were starting to get to be on the highway cruising somewhere in the neighborhood of around 10 to 14 degrees difference, which from what I understand is an indication that the oil cooler is starting to go bad. So we took it in, we wanted to get them to check it out. And some people of course may want to know why a vehicle that's 12 years old is getting warranty work done on it, since it's long past the 50,000 mile or whatever the mileage warranty was for those. And it's because I bought an extended warranty with the Excursion when I bought it, knowing that it was a 6.0 and that it was completely stock, even down to the head bolts, that literally nothing has been touched on it. I decided it would be in my best interest to go ahead and purchase the extended warranty, just in case, you know, I mean, anything can happen with these things. You know, a rod could go through the side, or you know, more commonly, of course, the head gaskets could fail, and I really just wanted to be protected just in case that happened, you know, shortly after purchasing it. And we actually used the warranty once already, and it was maybe 2 months, I think it was probably 2 months after we purchased it. The turbo started to make a weird noise, not quite like a good turbo, a good whistly turbo 6.0 noise. So we took it in, and as it turns out, the VGT actuator ring was seized, and they ended up replacing the turbo under warranty as well. And then with this last time, we took it back in to the dealership where we bought it, and they are doing the oil cooler under warranty as well. So the dealership that we're working with is amazing. They're definitely doing everything they can to help us out. I love working with this particular dealership, and they have actually provided us with a loaner vehicle as well while they're working on it. And it's not as cool as the Excursion, but it's still pretty nice. I think we should go check it out. It's a 2017 Expedition. Very, very nice. It has these super big rims, running boards, chrome accents everywhere. Looks like some nice Hankook tires there, and a 275 55 R20. So these are 20-inch rims. Those are pretty nice. I mean, the interior is super nice. I think, like, driving the 2017 compared to the 2005 Excursion, I mean, I get super jealous of like how nice these things are. I think Ford has done a really good job of updating the interiors. Dark wood pattern stuff, and they have it on door panels as well. They have like that very, very nice dark wood grain, or whatever this is called. I'm actually not sure what that's actually called, but all the interior is super nice. It's this giant thing, some USB plugs, some like storage. I mean, that is deep. There's a lot of space there. I don't know what this thing is, but the dash looks crazy. Have this huge display, very nice seats. Has the configuration of 2 captain seats and then a 3rd row. Plenty of big cup holders there. It's got this really sporty shifter. That's really nice. It's got integrated trailer brake as well. That's nice. Got a bunch of different settings here. I don't know what any of these... Oh no. Oh, I see what this one does. It actually opens the back hatch. So if I hit it again... Wow, that's very nice. Well, that's fancy. That was pretty cool, not gonna lie. I would start it, but I forgot the keys. 1 second. If we start this thing up... See everything kind of turn on there. Dash is crazy nice. Has this digital like fuel gauge over here. You can tell that it's very low, and then some radio information over here, and then climate control built in, phone. It's got apps, so we could connect devices if we wanted to, do some settings. I'm actually not sure what size engine this has. It says it's the EcoBoost, so I want to pop the hood and see what that looks like. Oh wow. Quiet. EcoBoost. Still can't really tell what engine that is. 3.5 liter V6 it looks like. Okay. Not bad. So I guess that means that if it's EcoBoost, it probably does have a turbo in it. All in all, it's a pretty nice ride. Didn't get that shot all the way. There we go. My Excursion was back, but I think this one's pretty nice. And that is the reason why there's been a lack of Excursion content on the channel for the past couple of weeks. I'm really looking forward to getting that thing back. I'm really excited to get started working on that thing. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It is bone stock from the factory except for the small modifications that I've made so far. And I think it's just going to be a lot of fun to build that thing out. And if you haven't actually seen it yet, I can go ahead and link the overview of the Excursion video right there for you, so you can check that out. And I thank you guys for stopping in today and checking out this video, and if you aren't subscribed already, please tap that subscribe button. I hope everyone has a great rest of the weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video.